Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Tune Beam and prepping your phone. Turn the speaker on and make sure it shows power. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your device. Open the JBL app if you already installed it because the app controls advanced features. If not, pair via system Bluetooth to proceed. You do this now to ensure the device and app can exchange settings. Make sure the beam is near your phone and not connected to another device, so pairing and feature activation are immediate and reliable. You now enable active noise cancellation. In the JBL app, select your Tune Beam and find the noise cancellation or ANC toggle. Flip it on. The app often shows levels or modes. If you prefer hardware control, press the ANC button on the beam following the short or long press instruction. This switches modes. Once enabled, the device uses internal microphones to subtract ambient noise, improving clarity. Make sure you listen briefly to confirm the change. Adjust ANC intensity. Finish by verifying ANC operation and fixing issues if needed. Play a familiar track and note reduced background sounds. If you don't hear a difference, turn ANC off and on again, then restart the Tune Beam and your phone. Make sure firmware is up to date in the JBL app because updates often fix ANC behavior. Repair the device if audio routing is wrong. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Tip: check microphone openings for debris. Blocked mics stop ANC from detecting ambient noise correctly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.